Good morning to all. Today we are going to lesson 5 exercise 5.1. First question. Check the following list of terms for AP. If any of them form an AP, then find its common difference and write the next 4 terms. Series is root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. We can check common difference and the next 4 terms. These are an AP. First, the given series is root 2, root 8, root 18, 32. So, here A1 is equal to root 2, A2 is equal to root 8, A3 is equal to root 18, A4 is equal to root 32. Then we can find common difference D. So difference between two consecutive terms D is A2 minus A1. So formula of D is equal to A2 minus A1, where A2 is root 8, A1 is root 2. So A2 minus A1 is equal to root 8 minus root 8. Root 2, that is equal to here root 8 minus root 2. So take root 2 is common. Therefore root 2 into root 4 minus 1. Take out root 2 is common, then root 4 minus 1. So root 2 into square root of 4 is 2. 2 minus 1, that is equal to root 2 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, that is equal to 2. So A2 minus 1 is equal to root 2. A2 minus 1 is root 8 minus root 2. Two numbers are in root, therefore we can take root 2 is common, root 2 into root 4 minus 1, then square root of 4 is 2, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, therefore root 2 into 1 is equal to root 2. So A2 minus A1 is equal to root 2. And then A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 is, where A3 is root 8, A2 is root 8. So root 18 minus root 8. Two numbers are in root. Therefore, root 2 is common. Root 2 into root 9 minus root 4. Then root 2 into square root of root 9 is 3 and root 4 is 2. That is root 2 into 3 minus 2. That is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. So root 2 into 1 is equal to root 2. Here A2 minus A1 is root 2 and A3 minus A2 is equal to root 2. Then A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3, where A4 is equal to root 32 and A3 is equal to root 18. Here also root 2 is common into root 16 minus root 9. Square root of root 16 is equal to 4 and root 9 is 3. So root 2 into 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore root 2 into 1 is equal to root 2. Here difference is same. It is clear that the common difference are, two consecutive terms of common difference are equal. Therefore, the given series is an AP. Then, next 4 will be follows. So, first, second, third, fourth term are given. Then, find fifth term. Fifth term, A5 is equal to formula A4 plus D. A1, A2, A3, A4 are given and common difference D is root 2. Therefore, A5 is equal to A4 plus D, where A4 is equal to root 32. Given series A4 is equal to root 32 plus D is equal to root 2. Listen, A4 is root 32 plus root 2. Both are root. Therefore, root 2 is common. Into root 16 plus 1. The square root of 16 is equal to 4. Therefore, root 2 into 4 plus 1. That is equal to 5 root 2. Square of 5 is 25. Therefore, square root of 25 into square root of root 2, that is equal to root of 25 into 2, that is equal to root 50. So, fifth term is root 15. Then find sixth term. Sixth term is A6. Find A5 plus D. A5 is root 50. So, root 50 plus root 2. Take root 2 is common. Root 2 into root 25 plus 1. Square root of 25 is equal to 5. So, root 2 into 5 plus 1. That is equal to 6 root 2. Square of 6 is 36. Therefore, root 36 into root 2, that is equal to square root of 36 into 2 is equal to root 72. So, sixth term is root 72. Then seventh term. Seventh term is A7. A7 is equal to A6 plus D. That is equal to A6 is root 72. Root 72 plus root 2. That is equal to, take root 2 is common. Root 2 into root 36 plus 1. Root 2 into root 36 is 6. So, root 2 into 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So, 7 root 2. Square of 7 is 49. Therefore, root of 49 into 2 is equal to root of 98. So, seventh term is root 98. Then eighth term. Eighth term is A8. That is A7 plus D. Here A7 is 98, root 98 plus root 2. Root 2 is common into root of 49 plus 1, that is equal to root 2. Root of 49 is 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. That is equal to root 2 into 8. Here square of 8 is 64. Therefore, root of 64 into root 2 is equal to root of 128. 128. Hence, common difference D is equal to root 2. Next 4 terms of series are root 50, root 72, root 90 and root 128. Question number 3 are in the same pattern. Exercise 5.1. Question number 3 are in the same pattern. So, that questions are homework.